Well, I guess this is my third summer. So I moved up here from Hamilton. Just saw them riding around and just wanted to get out, have some fun on them. Victoria essentially started roughly the same time. Went and looked at bikes and ended up buying two. One for me, one for her, and that was it. It started there. She got the knack of it pretty quickly. This year we both did the CASI safety training and that, so with the ATV club. So we did that this year, which has helped her with her experience in safety riding. She likes the mud and the water and the rough stuff. The rougher the better for her. So we try to keep it somewhat tame in that, because it only is a two-wheel drive bike, but whatever we can get out to, she likes. So I've got a 2019 Kodiak 700. Yamaha's a great for their engines and stuff like that. I mean, I've had, knock on wood, no issues with the bike. Just your regular maintenance and that, and go through quite a bit of stuff. So it's all about having fun. And Victoria right now has the Polaris Phoenix 200. So it's the right size for her. It fits her nicely, and she can handle it good. The next step up is the bigger bikes like the Kodiak, so make sure she gets used to that first. If I had any advice for other parents or fathers trying to get out with their kids and that, is do it as quick as you can. I mean, it's a great time, it's great bonding, either on the four-wheel drives, on the four-wheelers, two wheels, doesn't matter. It's all fun.